Powdery mildew is a prevalent fungal disease that affects a wide range of plants, including both ornamentals and agricultural crops. This common plant ailment is characterized by the appearance of a white or grayish powdery coating on the leaves, stems, and flowers. While powdery mildew rarely causes the death of a plant, it can weaken its overall health and reduce yields in crop plants. Understanding the causes, symptoms, and prevention strategies can help gardeners and farmers effectively manage this troublesome fungal disease. Causes and development. Powdery mildew is caused by various species of fungi belonging to the order Erysipelas. Unlike many other fungal diseases, powdery mildew thrives in dry and warm environments, with optimal temperatures ranging from 60 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. The fungi reproduce through spores that are easily carried by wind, insects, or gardening tools. When conditions are favorable, the spores land on plant surfaces and germinate, forming a powdery layer of fungal growth. Symptoms. The most noticeable symptom of powdery mildew is the powdery white or gray coating that appears on the leaves, stems, and flowers of affected plants. As the disease progresses, the affected plant tissues may become stunted, distorted, or discolored. Leaves may curl, yellow, or drop prematurely, leading to reduced photosynthesis and overall plant vigor. In severe cases, powdery mildew can even spread to the fruits, causing blemishes and affecting their quality. Prevention and control. Preventing powdery mildew is key to minimizing its impact on plants. Here are some effective prevention and control measures. 1. Plant selection. Choose powdery mildew-resistant varieties when possible. These varieties have been bred to exhibit higher levels of resistance to the disease. 2. Proper air circulation. Provide adequate spacing between plants to allow for good air circulation. This helps reduce humidity levels around the foliage, creating an unfavorable environment for powdery mildew growth. 3. Watering practices. Avoid overhead watering and water plants at the base to keep the foliage dry. Watering in the morning allows leaves to dry before nightfall, further reducing the risk of infection. 4. Pruning and sanitation. Regularly remove and discard infected plant parts, especially at the end of the growing season. This reduces the number of spores available for future infections. 5. Fungicides. In severe cases or when prevention measures are not sufficient, fungicides can be used. Consult with local gardening experts or agricultural extension offices to identify suitable and safe fungicides for your specific plants. Powdery mildew is a common fungal disease that can affect a wide range of plants, impacting their overall health and productivity. By understanding its causes, recognizing the symptoms, and implementing effective prevention and control strategies, gardeners and farmers can minimize the negative effects of powdery mildew. Vigilance, proper plant care, and proactive measures are crucial for maintaining healthy and vibrant plants, free from the powdery menace of this fungal disease.